is my beautiful Adirondack chair from Aspect Living. It just forces you to relax. The angle of this chair is so great. My favorite thing about this chair is it was no tools. It's made of high density propylene. It is weather resistant and it is made from recyclable material. So it's good for the environment. It's great for relaxing and just helps you to lean back and relax. It's very friendly. The corners are nice and round. There's nothing to pull when you're floating or to run into. Children, the slant is perfect. It has a drink holder, which makes for great relaxation. I love the fact that it took minutes to put it together. It comes with great instructions. After this picture, you will see those instructions. I will show you the full assembly, but I really, really like this chair. It comes in this beautiful light gray that blends with any decor. It also comes in a black. It came very quickly and it just helps you to relax. You can't be stressed in a chair like this. Enjoy this chair. It enhances your outdoor space. I'm going to get a few of them so I can sit around the fire pit, sit around the pool, sit around the swing set, watch the children play. I really love this chair and I will spend lots of hours in it. This product was gifted to me for my honest review and I highly recommend it.